How to unblock someone on Zangi app. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can unblock someone on the Zangi app, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to open up your Zangi application on your device, just like I have done here. All right, and then once you've launched the Zangi application, you'll be brought to the page where you see some icons at the top part of the screen, which includes chats, calls, profile picture, as well as your friends tab, actually not your profile picture but your friends tab, and then the gear icon which stands for settings. So the next step here is to go to the chat info of the user you'd want to block. All right, you can start to go to the contact info by clicking on the calls option, or particularly clicking on your friends option. By clicking on your friends option, you would see all of your friends here, all of the persons that are your friends on Zangi, and then you can just locate the chat info, and then on the chat info page of the user, scroll down to find your block option, click on it, and then just like that, the person will be unblocked. Now this is one way. Another way, which is easier, is to go to the gear icon by the top right corner and then click on it. By clicking on the gear icon, it will be brought to the settings page. On this page, all you need to do is to scroll down and select privacy. Privacy is often located under chat. So after selecting privacy, we brought to the privacies page. On this page, you can see passcode, lock and print, show online status, show when I'm typing, show sync status, blocked. So just go ahead and click on blocked. Oh, now after clicking on blocked, you'll see all of your blocked contacts here. All right, so as you can see them, just go ahead and select the person that you'd like to unblock. After selecting the person, like the right side of the screen, you'll see the option unblock. So just select it, and then just like that, they will be unblocked. And once you've unblocked a user, the person will be able to message and call you again. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, and have a good time on your Zangi application.